Hi there, students. Anodyne. Anodyne. I think a noun and an adjective. Okay, this is a good word. Let's see. Let's go right to the meat of it, and then I'll do more technical definitions. Okay, an anodyne is something that is made to relax, to soothe, but is very boring, is very everyday. It's designed not to cause offence. So maybe if you go home and you put on some relaxing music, this could be an anodyne to your stress. You don't put on really strong, strident things, just something a little boring and relaxing just to calm you down. Or I like this example, the anodyne lyrics that most pop songs contain. Yeah, my girlfriend left me. I'm alone. I'm happy. Or I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. And these are okay. The boring same lyrics. I prefer lyrics that have more to say than just these anodynes. Or, yes, the anodyne words of the politician saying that things are all right, everything will resolve itself. Or the mother saying, there, darling, to her child who's just fallen down and hurt themselves. This is an anodyne, something to relieve or make them feel better, but it's something that's boring and everyday and rather cliched and trite. Yeah, okay. So his responses were always anodyne, particularly if people said aggressive things to him. Just trying to calm things down, to calm people down. Yeah, but without using anything new. So this word anodyne, if you call something anodyne, you're criticizing it because it doesn't have any strong characteristics. It's not likely to upset or excite or interest anyone. You're going through the motions perhaps, yeah, but it's dull, boring and insipid, and like that you're satisfying the criterion that you've got to do what you're supposed to do. Okay, and this is the idea of anodyne. Yeah, the anodyne phrases are quoted in some soap opera. Yeah, people, daytime TV or soap operas, these are an anodyne for the masses. Yeah, something just to relax them. Yeah, but normally they don't have any real content, any real meat to them. Okay, now an anodyne, the real meaning of an anodyne, or the basic meaning, is a drug that relieves pain. So an analgesic, yeah? So an aspirin is an anodyne for a headache. Okay, and that's the real meaning of an anodyne. A medicine that reduces pain, yeah, or some other agent that relieves pain, and then you can use it meaning something that is a source of relaxation or comfort. So for the British, a cup of tea is an anodyne for anything, particularly a stressful situation. Yeah, when you see the end of the world before you, the British will probably sit down and have an anodyne cup of tea. Yeah, no, no strong opinions to it, nothing unusual about it, but something that relaxes. Yeah, it's not contentious, it's bland but agreeable. So blandly agreeable. Yeah. In these meetings there are always very strong arguments, and the chairman tries to act as an anodyne to these arguments, to calm them down and to get people to think more logically rather than in heat, yeah, when they're really strong about it. Okay, so anodyne, something boring and cliched and bland and insipid. Yeah, maybe, yeah, hospital food has a reputation for being anodyne. Yeah, you're hungry and it fulfills your need to eat something, but it's really not the most tasty of things. Okay, and this is the idea of anodyne and anodyne. Formality. This is a really good word, but it's rather formal and rather literary. I think I'd probably give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. Um, you could use it in in a semi-formal conversation, but not an informal conversation. I think you find maybe a lot of people don't actually know the real meaning of it. Yeah, and then as to origin, well, from Latin, anodynus, something that stops pain, from itself ancient Greek, anodounos, meaning free from pain, an, without, and odune, pain, so without pain. Yeah. Um, let's see. So an anodyne, a medicine that cures pain or something that cures pain. Yeah, a good massage could be an anodyne for muscle pain. Yeah, the music that they play in supermarkets or in elevators. This is an anodyne, something dull and boring, but something designed to calm people down so they take their time and they don't get upset. But notice very often this word anodyne is critical. It's saying it's not interesting. It should have more meat to it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Anodyne.